Hi, welcome to TechTrex tutorial. Today we are going to show you Synthesia AI tutorial. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So you can simply go to your browser and go to synthesia.com rather, and then you'll be routed into this page. This is actually a platform where it allows you to create videos like this here, where there's someone speaking, but as you can believe it, these are actually AI generated videos where the convert your text into speech with someone simply um, saying it for you through the AI video that is being generated. So no equipment needed, and they have over or for about 120 languages that you can use. So it can definitely cover of whatever country you have or you are currently in. So here are some of the uses as well. So you can actually create presentations using the Synthesia platform, where it allows you to create market videos, report videos, and even learning videos like how to videos, for example. Here you can browse into the account. You can see that these are different AI avatars. So there are different type of images or type of avatars that you can use here, depending on what would fit into your video or your presentation that you are trying to achieve. So you can simply just click on the play icon here on the lower right or lower left corner of the box, and then it will provide you an example on how they sound like and how they will be delivering your video or the presentation that you want. So here is another example where you can actually localize your videos for over $120 120 languages rather. So you can simply on this left side panel here you can click on each languages, and it will provide you examples on how they sound like and how they would look like speaking the language. So it's actually very seamless. It's like she is actually um, talking to that specific language without even knowing that that's actually an AI generated video. So for us to get started, what you can actually do is you can go to create an account. But before we go through there, we can actually just click on the menu there and click on AI avatars or features rather, and you will be routed into this page. So for you to be able to look into the AI avatar, when you click on presentation, just click on avatar and you have a lot of options to choose from here that would fit or that would automatically be applied into your video. So another thing here is the language or the accents that you want to apply into the video. On the lower left corner of the presentation that you're creating, you will be able to change the language or the accent that you want to achieve. Here as well is another feature where it converts your text to speech. So you can simply just write the paragraph on the text box, and then the AI will generate the voice over for you. So here is another addition as well where you can add gestures. You can add your voice cloning where it will use your own voice to be able to create AI videos. Here, so they're actually, or this platform actually is lead subscription so that you will be able to personalize the videos that you created. So it actually starts with $30 per month. This allows you to create 10 videos and maximum, so you can actually look into the features here as well below. But if you will be using this for business purposes, you can actually just click on the enterprise plan, where that would definitely fit if you want a customizable features. For example, you want to cover a lot of videos in a month if 10 videos is not enough. So here what we can do is go back to the dashboard, and then you can just click on create a free AI video. So what you can do is select on what template you will be using. So you can use Synthesia video, sales pitch, learning and development, or how-to videos, or even a compliment video if you are in a business and you want to compliment your clients for purchasing your product. So for example, we will be choosing a how-to video or a learning development. So I'll just choose the how-to video, and here you can actually edit the script, and then you can just click on generate a free video or click on next, and they will ask for your informations or details here. So they will or you just need to provide your name, your business email. You actually need to input your business email here, since I actually tried my personal email but it does not allow me to go through. So I'll be using a business email here. And it also asks for your occupation on or what you do for work. So you can just verify that you're not a robot, and then you can just click on the terms and condition or agree to the terms and conditions. Here you see you will be able to view an example here that I just input my personal email, and it will automatically recognize that it was not a work email that I placed. So it actually requires a business email. So let me just um, put that back and then wait for the load. And there you can just click on generate the AI video, and you just need to wait. Here you will be receiving the video via the email that you have inputted, which was your business email. This may take around 5 to 10 minutes. This is actually how it will look like once you receive the image, or this is the content of the email that they will send you. So your video is approved, and you'll receive you will receive the video within 5 to 10 minutes. And there you will see less than 5 minutes actually, the video is now ready. So you can just click on that email and then just click on watch your AI video, and then you will be redirected into this page, and just click on play, and then here you will be able to listen and view into the AI generated video that we created for an example. So once you're satisfied with the video or the how the video is created, you can subscribe to the plan from Synthesia, where it starts with $30 per month. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.